AI is revolutionizing affiliate marketing by automating tasks, optimizing advertising, and enabling data-driven decisions. 1. The incorporation of AI into affiliate marketing strategies is not just beneficial, it's becoming increasingly necessary to stay competitive in the digital landscape too. This marks a significant shift in how marketers approach their strategies, with AI for affiliate marketing standing at the center of this evolution. As the digital marketing world grows more complex, utilizing AI allows businesses to identify new marketing opportunities and optimize campaigns with unprecedented precision. The potential of AI in crafting data-driven strategies that can supercharge affiliate marketing efforts is immense. By harnessing the power of AI, marketers can unlock new levels of efficiency and effectiveness in their campaigns. Understanding AI and its role in affiliate marketing. AI's integration into affiliate marketing is reshaping how strategies are developed and executed, offering unprecedented levels of precision and personalization. By analyzing vast amounts of historical data, AI algorithms can predict future trends, enabling marketers to tailor their strategies with a data-driven approach too. This capability not only enhances decision-making, but also ensures that marketing efforts are more likely to succeed. Moreover, AI-driven personalization has become a cornerstone of effective affiliate marketing. By analyzing user behavior, preferences, and purchase history, AI can deliver highly targeted content and product recommendations. This level of personalization not only improves user engagement, but also increases the likelihood of conversion, making marketing efforts more efficient and effective too. AI also plays a crucial role in content creation and customer interaction. High-quality, relevant content generated by AI ensures consistency across various channels, while AI-powered chatbots provide real-time interaction, offering information and guiding users through the purchasing process too. This seamless integration of AI tools enhances the overall user experience and supports marketers in building more robust and effective affiliate marketing strategies. Identifying new marketing opportunities with AI. AI's predictive analysis capabilities are revolutionizing how affiliate marketers identify emerging trends and opportunities. By leveraging AI, marketers can predict which products will gain popularity and anticipate future consumer behaviors with remarkable accuracy. 4. This foresight allows for the strategic placement of affiliate efforts where they are most likely to succeed. Furthermore, AI excels in analyzing vast datasets to uncover patterns and trends that are not immediately obvious. This capability enables the identification of niche markets and untapped opportunities, thereby enhancing the effectiveness of marketing campaigns. 11. For instance, AI tools can analyze relationships and generate high-quality connections with potential partners and leads, offering valuable insights into prospective customers. 11. This not only broadens the scope of affiliate marketing, but also introduces a level of precision in targeting that traditional methods cannot match. Innovative tools like intelligent partner discovery and intelligent affiliate discovery by Partnerize utilize machine learning to refine partner selection processes. These tools analyze both historical and real-time data to recommend partners with the highest potential for success, ensuring that affiliate marketers can forge profitable new relationships and optimize their network. 13. By focusing on partners that are most likely to meet key performance indicators, these AI-driven tools help marketers maximize their returns on investment and sustainably grow their affiliate networks. 13. Optimizing campaigns with AI technologies. AI technologies are transforming the landscape of affiliate marketing, enabling marketers to optimize